Around us has arisen a society not so tuned in to the well-being of us human beings. It is a world full of tricks and traps designed to tune us in to low levels of energy. We feel drained of our happiness, our human spirit, and even our life force. While the divine gift of free will can be used by each and every one of us to avoid these frequencies, it is often easier said than done. What if there was a tool created which offered a layer of protection against these interfering energies? What could that mean for each and every one of us? Of course, if such a tool were in existence, it must respect our free will, a gift which is utterly unique in nature. How could such a tool reduce suffering around the world? How could such a tool serve as a vehicle to synergize the whole of humanity? If such a tool were to be created, it would require some of the greatest intelligences in the universe to bring it all together, to ensure its transcendental power and absolute purity. But why would these beings of infinite intelligence be so bothered about little old us to create such a wonder? And if they did create something like this, how would we ever know about it? Let alone understand how to receive and use it. What if you found out right now that such a tool had already been created? What if you found out right now that some of the most magnificent beings in the universe had come together to create it for your benefit and for mine? What if you found out right now that as a human being you are able to be given this tool wherever you are in the world? This divine tool does exist. Not only that, but it's available to anyone willing and open to receive it. Are you ready to reclaim your happiness, your human spirit, and your life force? Welcome, beautiful being, to the Unity Bubble. My bubble. Your bubble. Our bubble.